Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best solar generators available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have PryMAX Solar Generator. This portable solar power station has 3 charging modes available to you. You can recharge the battery of this power station with an AC adapter at home. And you can through the car outlet to charge during a road trip or with a solar panel when outdoor. PryMAX camping power station weighs only 6.6 pounds. In addition it equipped with a durable handle which makes it easy to carry. The lithium power station built-in pure sine wave inverter which produces current and steady current, which protects your equipment and reduces noise. At number 6 we have Jackery Solar Generator. This entry-level portable power station is equipped with a 240 watt-hours lithium-ion battery pack weighing only at 6.6 pounds. The solid handle makes it easy to carry around for outdoor adventures such as tent camping, road trip, backyard camping, etc. The power station can be recharged by the Jackery Solar Saga 60 solar panel. Its built-in MPPT controller enables the solar panel to operate at its max power point for the power station to be recharged at its highest efficiency. At number 5 we have EcoSolar Generator. The generator built-in lights of 2 levels full charged continue lighting up 64 hours. The 3 external lamps comes with individual switch continue lighting up 40 hours. The green light or red light flashes means the battery is charged. The last green light stops flashing shows the battery is fully charged. The storage solar generator power to battery comes with solar panel and supply power to LED light and mobile phone. At number 4 we have Always Solar Generator. You can enjoy all your devices and gadgets when camping with the Always portable power generator. The Always 300 built-in battery management system allows you to safely charge your devices that operate at less than 300 watts. Such as smartphones, laptops, TVs, lamps, drones, CPAP machine, mini fridges and more small appliances. The 2 pure sine wave AC outlets ensure a safer charge for your sensitive devices better than modified sine wave and clean power like utility supplied electricity. It is built-in smart and silent cooling fan will automatically turn on the fan when the unit is hotter to maintain the unit at the constant temperature without running the fan constantly. At number 3 we have Duracell Solar Generator. It is quiet, clean and ideal for indoor or outdoor use. The power source 660 makes gas spark plugs, oil maintenance and fumes a thing of the past. With 660 watt-hours of battery capacity the power source has plenty of power to keep your devices powered up. And can even be daisy-chained with an external battery for increased capacity. The quiet battery-operated power source is a better alternative to gas generators and can be used indoors during extreme weather. The power source is ideal for critical devices that require uninterrupted power, because it can instantly transition from AC wall power to its internal battery power in the event of a power outage. At number 2 we have Big Blue Solar Generator. The portable size and lightweight body at 6.6 pounds gives them more versatility for outdoor activities, like powering a campsite, screening a movie in your backyard or staging a scenic photo shoot. Big Blue power stations are silent and emission-free. You can use them safely inside a house during a blackout. And there's no need to keep gas handy or perform the oil changes or other minor maintenance a combustion engine requires. The DC input built-in MPPT equivalent to having a solar energy converter. At number 1 we have EcoFlow Solar Generator. With EcoFlow's patented Extreme technology the smart inverter enables a fast rechargeability that takes less than 1 hour to charge from 0% to 80% and it gets fully charged in 1.6 hours. The X-Boost technology's advanced built-in algorithm enables most heavy-duty kitchen appliances and tools to operate. With X-Boost River can power 80% of essential home appliances and devices, especially those within 1200 watts for better using experience. The discharging rates and X-Boost mode can be monitored and controlled through the EcoFlow app. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best solar generators for your need.